example number 1, we're going to find a best fit line. On April 15th, 1947, Jackie Robinson became the first African American to play in Major League Baseball. He played in the major leagues for 10 years before retiring. The table shows Jackie Robinson's total hits during each season of his major league career. Using a graphing calculator to write an equation for the best fit line for the data. Then find and interpret the correlation coefficient. The calculators that we have at the school are part of the TI-84 family, so we're going to select the TI-84 Plus family calculator. Following these steps, we're going to enter the data as it states. Before you begin, make sure that your diagnostic setting is on. You can find this under Catalog menu, press D, and then scroll down and select Diagnostic On, then press Enter. To get to the catalog, you hit the second button, then the 0. Then you hit the X to the -1 button, that's where the D is at. And you scroll down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, hit Enter. And what it doesn't say on here is that you actually hit Enter twice, and it'll say Done on the screen. That way you know that it is turned it on for you. Next it says, enter the data by pressing Stat and selecting the Edit option. Stat is located right underneath the Delete button. We hit Stat, and we hit Enter for Edit. Let the year 1947 be represented by 0. Enter the years since 1947 into List 1, L1. These will represent the X values. Enter the total hits into List 2, L2. These will represent the Y values. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the years 0, 1, 2, etc., and the total hits into my 2 columns. Now that I've entered them into my calculator, I'm ready to go to the next step. Perform the regression by pressing Stat and selecting the Calc option. So I hit Stat again, and I go over to Calc, scroll down to Linear Regression AX plus B, and hit Enter, which is number 4 on our list. Make sure List 1 is the X list and List 2 is a Y list. Then select Calculate. Write the equation of the regression line by rounding the A and B values on the screen. The form that we chose for the regression was AX plus B, so the equation is Y equals -10.32, your slope, X plus 195.22, your y-intercept. Right, so you put in the A and the B where it says to in the equation. The correlation coefficient is about -0.8022, which means that the equation models the data well. Its negative value means that as the years since 47 increase, the total number of Jackie Robinson's hits decrease, which is an unfortunate side effect of getting older when you play a sport. Since you can't see what my calculator is doing, and this isn't a super awesome representation, I'm going to go ahead and come down here to the alternate method, and I'm going to enter the information into this so you can get a better look at what we're doing. Okay, so here I've plotted all of those points onto the graph for us. There we go. X1, Y1. There we go. and it has done it for us. So that's what it looks like.